Let me show you how to find your scheduled posts on LinkedIn. Look, scheduling posts is an amazing thing and it's very, very important. And some of the amazing benefits of having to schedule a post on social media and even on LinkedIn is that it frees up your time. You can pick one day in a week, maybe over a weekend, a Saturday or a Sunday where you are relaxing. You can use that to write out all your content. You can use that to make all your content for the whole of the coming week or coming weeks or coming days. And then you can schedule them ahead of time. So you don't have to be worrying so much about posting every day. And you can just schedule them ahead of time. And then you can use this opportunity to pick the high traffic moments across the various days so that you can make your post. That way you can free up time for other activities as well. And also for the fact that you can schedule posts ahead of time, allows you to take this same content and repurpose it for other platforms so that you can also schedule them ahead of time. I think most platforms also have the ability to schedule posts. Now this is how to find posts that you have already scheduled so that you can make changes to them or you can delete or do whatever you want to do with them. First of all, make sure you are logged into LinkedIn. Now once you are logged in on LinkedIn, you go all the way to start a post as if you are going to make a post. It's very important. So I click on start a post as you can see here, and when you do, you can see there's a small clock icon at the bottom right corner of that where it has let me say schedule for later. Click on that one, and if you do, you see view all scheduled posts. If you click on that, it will show you all your scheduled posts. Unfortunately, I've not yet scheduled my post for the coming week. I'll be doing that tonight as I'm recording this video, not when I'm posting the video. So I'll be scheduling for the whole week. Usually I'll schedule between 3 to 4 content for the week. I don't post on Mondays. Mondays, I reshare some of the motivational quotes that speak to me across social media. So I don't post organically on Monday. I only repost or reshare things that I think speak to me on Mondays. But Tuesdays, I have a post. Wednesdays, I'll share a link from one of my videos that go up on YouTube. On Thursdays, my posts, they will come. All right. I hope I just made checking your already scheduled post on LinkedIn super easy. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to grow your personal brand, and I'll catch you in the very next video. Peace.